guys, Nori Athletics here, Novette and Michelle, and we're gonna quickly take you through a nice, simple, easy recipe, one of our favorites, which is
our high tuna snack.
Yes, so
our high protein tuna snack.
High protein tuna snack. All you need are these following ingredients: onion, mayo, tuna, canned tuna. We like the light. And the crisp minis because they're lower calories and there's something that you can eat the tuna with. Now this is like up to you on what you want to choose.
Whatever flavor you want.
And then obviously salt and pepper. So we're gonna cut the onion first. Now the amount that you want to use depends on how much tuna you're making it for. We're gonna make it for just 1 can. So ideally you want to use, this is a really big onion. So if it's a small onion, probably half an onion. But because it's such a big onion, I'm gonna use a quarter of an onion. Tears. So, it's in here, we put it in there. See you guys, that's a lot of onion. But we like our onion, so you guys can add it accordingly. It doesn't have to be onion, by the way. You guys can put in pickles. Pickles are also good. I used to do that all the time. And now we're gonna open our tuna.
What do you have to say for yourself? Huh? Nori? What? What is it? What is it? What is she making? What is she making? Nori-chan, what is she making?
Okay, so I've drained the fluid, so there's no fluid. So we're gonna take the whole can. Now, the whole can, oh, nice. Make sure that doesn't happen. Now the whole can, I think it contains roughly, oh my gosh. Now the whole can probably contains 30 grams of protein. So now we're gonna season it. Okay, so we're gonna put mayo, roughly a tablespoon of mayo. And then we're gonna put salt and pepper and garlic powder. Garlic powder, salt, pepper. Combining everything, and you want to keep mixing it until that mayo starts to combine with the tuna and the onions.
Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is the end product. You see it has mixed in with the mayo and the the onions. Now, I like salt and vinegar flavor. And this is how you do it. Oh, by the way, check out the macros right there, 90 calories per 12 rice chips. It's not a lot. Alright, so what you do is you take one, you take a little bit, put it on top, make sure it's nice. I don't really care. Just as long as I can consume it. Bon appetit. Just like that. Okay, so if you like this video, if you like the recipe, please comment down below what you think. And if there's any other recipe videos you guys want us to make, comment down below as well.
Yeah, let us know. And on top of that, in the comments section, you will find a link to our private Facebook group, the Nori Athletics community, where you can gain accountability, gain more recipes like this, and any other pointers and tips to be able to help you in developing your healthy habits to reach your goal and sustain your results. Thank you guys, and catch you in the next one.